one wheel is here, battery is here, let's go. It's heavy as shit. I'm at Treviso airport in Italy. Just passed the TSA. They did check the battery, but they let me through without any problems. Boarded the plane. I hope my bag is also traveling with me, and see you on the other side. Hey, where's my one wheel? Oh, it's right here. I zip-tied the bag to see if they're gonna check it, and seems like they did not. So that's a good sign. Let's see if everything's okay. And everything's okay. Let's assemble the battery.
Okay, so what's this video about? I just made it to Tenerife with my VX wheel, my DIY one wheel, and it passed all the security at the airport, so it's officially legal to travel with. We are now in Los Cristianos. Okay, we're cruising towards Los Americas. I packed the one wheel in a body bag and put it in a checked baggage. Took the batteries out, divided them in 4 packs as expected to be needed while I was designing it. Of course, the battery was a bit suspicious, so they asked me to show the packs, but as soon as they saw there's only batteries and not a bomb or something like that, there was no problem. They just let me through. So first time, no problem at all. Hopefully it will stay like this also for the road back, so that my VX wheel will not stay here. What's the plan to do here? There's actually no plan. I'm just tired of my work and all of my hobbies, so I need some days off, and that's what I'm doing right now. A police car just passed by. I don't know if it's allowed to ride this thing right here, but I guess it's okay because they didn't stop me. Okay, so the whole flight was 4.5 hours. It's quite a long journey. Okay, I don't know where I should go. Maybe here. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm just cruising around in this nice place. Also have signs like this, so I guess I'm not supposed to go here. I guess I'm not allowed to do this, but I'm on holidays. I don't care. Wow, look at that. What a nice place. Today I'm going to see the southern part. In a few days I'm gonna move to the north of Tenerife. I'm gonna be here about a week. Let's just don't crash into somebody. Wow, that's shady. I don't know what that is. I'm so excited. I'm in Tenerife, Spain, and my DIY Onewheel is with me. This means, as expected, it is legal to air travel with it. So this is a big thumbs up for my design. I'm just so happy with it. I think we are approaching, actually I don't know where I am exactly, but I think we are approaching Los Americas. It's the first time I'm here, so I didn't check up the map. I'm just riding wherever it's nice. There's a lot of police right here, so I guess I'm gonna stick to another road. Or not. They didn't stop me, second time. I'm gonna need to move out of the road. Let me just escape here. Okay. Let's go back down to the sea. So why is my design allowed to air travel? You can see the details about my battery design, which is which has the main difference from the other designs. In my video about the battery design, stick to that and you will see why and how this is possible with almost 400 watt hours. That makes enough for about 30 kilometers. The only bad thing that happened to me on this journey is I didn't get my small charger in time, so I needed to take a big one, which was a pain in the ass, but at least I'm here and I can ride it. Let's take a photo on the beach. This is exactly what I came here for. So there's one thing you might think of what to do before. Oh shit, well, the sign's here again. Okay, so there's no Onewheel in it. I don't even care about it anymore. What to do with the tire and the pressure. Maybe it's not a bad idea to deflate the tire a little bit, but the cargo area of the passenger airplanes is pressurized. Maybe not fully, but enough not to do any harm to your one-wheel tire. So I didn't do any of it. It came out okay. I just started riding it. It's the same pressure, I think, as before, so nothing happened. You have to consider sometimes animals live in the cargo area of the planes, so also the temperature will not drop that much. They have to keep it pressurized and inside some temperature limits for pets or other things to survive. Wow, that's a nice place. Okay, I did some nice photos up there, but I need to keep moving because it's damn hot. There is not so hot, so while riding it's totally fine, but if you stop, then it's hot. Seems like this is the end of the path near the sea. Oh, let's see, maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna continue on this road as much as possible, and then I'm gonna call my friends to pick me up, because we are continuing up in these directions towards Los Gigantes, but we're gonna continue by car. Breaking the rules once again. There are many signs about what not to ride here. There is no Onewheel on any of them.